Hi, this is Richard at altFINS. Today I'm going to show you how to find coins with breaking news and potential upcoming catalysts, and how to stay on top of the relevant news for your portfolio or watch list. You know, every day we get pummeled with news, a lot of noise, and altFINS helps traders and investors to cut through that noise and get to the relevant pieces of data and news. And you can do that with our unique newsfeed, where we aggregate near real-time news releases from thousands of altcoin projects into one single newsfeed. So starting with a dashboard, here you can see the watch list, your watch list prices and trends and so on. But more importantly, for this conversation, we have a news widget here that shows the latest news across all the altcoins, thousands of altcoin projects. As you can see, it's almost near real-time updating. But you can also narrow that to just your portfolio projects or portfolio altcoins related news, or if you have connected your portfolio through the APIs, or your watch list coin related news here, okay? And then you can also click on see more. Here you can also see some of the gainers, losers, and the latest alerts that you have created as well. But to see the rest of the news and events, on the news and events tab, here you can see the aggregated news feed again for thousands of altcoin related projects. Not only is it aggregating tweets from Twitter, but also from other sources. So if you want to see other than Twitter, you can see as well that we are aggregating news from other websites like AMB Crypto, ZY Crypto, U Today, Finance Magnates, CryptoSlate, CoinPage, and others. But I think more importantly, a lot of the cutting news, the latest news comes from Twitter and the Twitter accounts from a lot of these altcoin projects. You can of course filter by the altcoin project itself. You can have multiple filters here. So let's just say we want to see everything on Curve. All right, so here we are. We see some latest news on Curve, and some of the tweets you can actually click through as well. It comes from either Twitter or some of the other sources as well. Or very popular is the ability to search the content. For example, search for content for keywords like listing. Everyone wants to know which coins are getting listed and where. So here we are. You've got all the tweets that talk about listing. Some of them may be relevant, some of them may not. Okay, here is one that talks about a trading pair that's getting listed on Bitmart, so on and so forth. You could also look for keywords like partnerships. You can look for keywords like mainnet launch and so on, right? Don't forget that you can also filter all of this data by either your portfolio, if you have connected your portfolio or account with our platform. Then you can easily just see the news events for your portfolio only. Or if you don't have a portfolio connected or your exchange account connected to our platform, you can also create a watch list and just see the news for the watch list coins. A huge time saver as well. If you want to receive an email with a weekly summary of the news for your watch list, or even a daily summary for your watch list, all you need to do is click. Similarly, under the events, here we have upcoming events for, again, thousands of the coins that we track, either sorted by the release date of the event announcement or the event date, which may be more relevant, frankly. When is the event taking place? It's coming up. Not only that, you can obviously search by a coin, but also you can search by a category. So let's just say you want to see all the events that talk about an airdrop. That could be a catalyst for certain coins, and get some ideas from here. Also, the vote ranking. These events could be categorized as significant, hot, or trending. Significant means that it received a lot of views and votes, and it has it's a relatively large market cap. It's a major coin. Hot, it really means that this event is viewed by a lot of the users, and trending means that it's been added in the last 24 hours, and it's adding a lot of user interactions, whether it's views or votes as well. Okay, so let's just say we want to see what's trending, and again, these could be some major events that could warrant further digging. Could be listings, could be some mainnet launches, right? And you get the categories here. Could be product updates. Here's a roadmap update. So these are, again, huge time savers in finding some interesting ideas for trading or investing. Once again, you can filter this data either by your portfolio, so you can see what events are coming up for coins in your portfolio, or watch list as well. Huge time savers, easy way to stay on top of your portfolio or watch list. This news and events, you can also find these under the screener. And once again, here you can apply your watch list filter and say, all right, show me what's going on with Solana, for example. When I open up the details section here on the right hand side, we have a news tab here with some latest news as well as events that are coming up. So do use these features. I think they can save you a lot of time, and more importantly, enable you to find some interesting, possibly market moving or price moving catalysts and events coming up. Good luck trading, everyone. If you have any questions, please email us at invest@altfins.com.